how to always have the toner level at 100% in a Pantum laser printer. You can use the cartridge until the last gram of toner, no more problems with compatible cartridges. It will be possible to refill the cartridge without changing the chip. You'll need a software that has been developed by INKCHIP company. The software is not for free, but the reset is made only once and it's forever until you turn the printer. I'll show you how to reset the Pantum M6500, but this method works with most of Pantum printers. You need a computer with Windows operating system, an internet connection, an USB cable to connect your printer to the computer, and the printer driver already installed on your PC. Go to the INKCHIP website, the link is in the description. Click on Pantum. You'll find a list of Pantum printers models. Search your printer and select your firmware version. You'll find the firmware version of your machine printing the information page. Press arrow to the left, search for Info Report. OK. Search for Print Info Page. OK. The printer will print the information page. If you don't find your firmware, contact INKCHIP. INKCHIP team will contact you soon. They often solve the problem. I'll install the program for a Pantum M6500. Select your firmware and click More. Remember that the printer must be turned on, your computer must be connected to the internet, the printer must be connected via a USB cable, the printer driver must be installed in your computer. Click on Download the software. The software will be downloaded in your PC. Save it. You may be afraid of computer viruses, but don't worry. I've been collaborating with INKCHIP for a long time. You'll have no problems. A window will open on the monitor of your computer. Click on Get Printer ID. If it doesn't work, you have to download the printer driver directly from the Pantum website. If you only connect the USB cable, you obtain a low version of the driver. This is the printer ID. Copy it. Click on Link. Insert your email. Click on Continue. Insert the code in this field. Click Send. $14. Click on Buy. Checkout. Insert your data, name, telephone number and email. Select the payment. Agree everything. Place order. After 20-30 minutes, you will receive an email with the code. Click on Link. It will download the reset file. Open the INKCHIP window. Click on Upgrade firmware. Select the reset file. The printer will begin to work. Press the Start button. The attention light begins to blink. Wait for the Chipless firmware installation to complete. At the end, it will write wait for the printer to reboot. The printer will reboot automatically. Done. The toner level is 100% and it will remain 100%. You have to change or refill the cartridge only when the print quality is no more acceptable. Remember, do not update the printer driver. otherwise it will reset to default settings.